See, Bernoulli's formula, it is the extended version of integration by parts. Easily we can integrate like integral x square e power x, x power 3 e power x. Such a problem can be integrated easily. Now the formula is integral u v dx, which is equal u v1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 minus and so on. Now let us solve the integral e power 2x into x square dx. Now let us consider the x square as u, and then you find the u dash. U dash means is a first order differentiation with respect to x. So what is the differentiation of x square? That is 2x. Next, u double dash. What is the value of u double dash? Differentiate once again with respect to x. You will get 2. Next, u triple dash, it will become 0. Similarly, u 4 dash, everything is 0. Next, you consider v. What is v here? E power 2x. Next, find v1. v1 means it's an integration with respect to x. So e power 2x. Now differentiate the 2x, you will get 2 divided by 2. This is called v1. Find v2. v2, which is equal e power 2x divided by, already 1 2 is there, 2 2s are 4. Next, v3. v3, which is equal e power 2x divided by 4 2s are 8. Now integral e power 2x x square into dx, which is equal, as per the formula, first u. What is the value of u? X square. And then v1. v1 is e power 2x by 2 minus u dash 2x. v2, that is e power 2x by 4 plus u double dash 2 into v3, that is e power 2x divided by 8. From all the three terms, e power 2x is common, so that I can easily take it outside. So e power 2x into x square by 2 minus, cancel this 4 by 2. So this is 2 times. So x divided by 2. Cancel this 8 by 2. This is 4 times. So this is 1 divided by 4 plus c. What is plus c? C is the constant of integration. So what is the use of the Bernoulli's formula? See, easily we will get the answer. We can reduce the time. In the case of one more question in MCQ, actually it is not included in CBSE syllabus, but we can use this formula to find the answers for the MCQ.